Hello everybody, so this is me before. This is what I look like. My brows, as I said, I colored my brows. I just use I use 40 volume developer, volume 40 developer, and Reju or Quick Blue. I used Quick Blue. So this is the look that we're going to be doing. We already did the brows. You can uh, look in the description. A description nickname? Description, comments. Yes, description. You can see the link for that, or I'll just put this at the end of the video in like one of the end cards or something like so. For you guys just click when this video is over. So now I'm going with my foundation. This is perfect bronze foundation from Sasha Cosmetics. Oh baby, I love this foundation. Oh honey, it's hydrating. It it just fits. It looks like skin. It's not heavy. I love it. Underneath I'm wearing my what's it called, sunscreen. If you guys saw part one, which is the eyebrows, which is what I'm wearing now, I had actually put my sunscreen on. So as I said before in the other video, this is going to be a video where there are no breaks, no steps skipped, nothing at all. So I'm gonna try to see if I can have like nice conversations for you guys. So while you guys are watching, you can also listen. But yeah, so this is how I have been doing my foundation, you guys. But I'm actually trying out a new foundation. I'm going to be doing a video on that, so look out for that video. I have two more videos to go up after this one. Is it a two or one? I think a two. I have one from when 1 2 3 from that, so I'm gonna have to probably re-edit it and upload. That's when I had my blonde hair, so you could tell that was like a more previous video or whatever. Yeah, so foundation all over, no steps skipped. I'm showing you guys everything, honey, everything from the rooter to the tutor, baby. Look at that coverage. Ooh, perfect warmth to the skin. It's just, whew, I can't. Let me stop because Sasha Cosmetics is gonna probably think I want their scientist who makes the foundation because it's fire. Okay. Follow me on TikTok if you have not already. My name is LyricRochester on TikTok. My name is LyricRochester on Instagram as well. So please go ahead and follow me on those platforms. Do comment. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see me coming back to YouTube. This is another foundation. This is perfect beige from Sasha Cosmetics as well, and I'm putting it in the areas where I'd normally highlight. Sorry, I realize that I speak really quickly. I speak fast, so my apologies. I don't even know which song I was listening to, but I know I was vibing this day and just like getting my makeup done. Whenever the videos like this, I always like take an hour out of my day for when I'm filming, because a lot of things can happen while filming. But if I'm just doing like my foundation regular day, it doesn't take an hour at all. I mean, filming doesn't even take an hour. Filming takes probably 45 minutes. So to do this without giving it much thought, not really much eyeshadow, probably 20 minutes, at most half an hour. But if man I do not add no fancy eyeshadow, nothing, 20 minutes tops, and then my makeup is fully on. So I'm wearing foundation on top of foundation. So you know how people normally conceal with concealer that are usually lighter. I go full coverage all the time. So what I'm highlighting with full coverage, it's the foundation. What I have underneath, obviously full coverage. I'm wearing foundation. So I love that look. I'm like when skin just looks like porcelain, honey. Skin be smooth. Oh, sorry, I just stretched and I'm trying not to stop this video and just let it go. Okay, look. I am using the sponge, the beauty sponge, to blend out, to get rid of any excess foundation before I set it with powder, and also to blend, because you know sponges, the soak up product, that's what they're for, that's what they do. So it's just helping the foundations to blend a little bit more, to get the increasing that might be there. Yeah, girl. Rock. Yeah, you. Oh, I don't know what song I'm singing. I'm trying to figure it out. But this is my foundation brush. So I'm just going on certain areas just to kind of bump up the contour a little bit more. As you can see right there. And I think I'm going to go on the edges and blend out. I usually do that right like that, like on the edges where the two colors meet. Yeah, just to kind of blend some more. Yeah, nice and seamless. See that? And the contours standing out on the skin. It's just, oh gosh, it's popping. Yeah, girl, sing. Don't make them step your throat back. Oh my gosh, guys, we have about 3 minutes left. Ah, so this is the powder that I use. These are all Sasha Cosmetics powder. This one is um Perfect Tan, I believe. And yeah, when I'm doing powder and eyeshadows, most times or almost every single time it goes in my eyes. I've gotten used to it, so it doesn't bother me that much. So I'm setting the lighter ones with the Perfect Tan. Then I'm going to go all over the face with Perfect Bronze. Is this Perfect Tan? Caramel. This is caramel. This is caramel. Sorry guys, not tan. So this is Perfect Caramel that I'm putting on. And as you can tell, I put more underneath the underneath my eyebrows, underneath my eyes, sorry, because I'm going to do eyeshadow and I don't want it to fall on the foundation. I want it to fall on the powder itself. So it's both catch powder as well as, what's that word, baking. Yeah, so I added some more, then just put the excess all over on my mouth. Yes, girl. Oh, I love these brows. I love these brows so much. These are like my new thing now. This is how I do my brows. This tree color is so nice. So that is the Perfect Bronze and my Perfect Bronze. That is Perfect Bronze. So that is Sacha Cosmetics Perfect Bronze powder, and that's gonna go all over my facial area. Everywhere where I did not highlight is where I'm going to be setting. So like the side of my nose, underneath my neck, right that area, forehead, everywhere else, temples, everywhere else. So this is actually the look. We have almost less than a minute, and I will have like a minute or so left for true. But yes, so this is how I do my foundation, you guys. This is how I do my foundation 2021. This is what she be doing, and she ready. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I have nothing else to say. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, LyricRochester, Instagram, LyricRochester, and of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel, LyricRochester. Comment, like, share the videos, share my content, and let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see from me, whether it be like a vlog or like a makeup tutorial or something. I am listening the presence of the boys on social media, so anything regarding them I will not be able to do. Anything else I will really try hard to do. I could probably do like a question and answer portion, so if somebody could get that started in the comment areas just to ask questions, so let me know. Okay, this is the video. Thank you guys for your support. Bye. Slow-mo. Ooh, ooh, yes. Ooh, ooh, yes, sing girl. This is part 3 coming up, you guys. The eyeshadow, we did the brows, did the foundation. Let's get the eyeshadow. Stay tuned for part 3. Ooh, 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 bitch.